Hello, in this video of me riding through the gloomy forest, I almost nearly crashed my DJI Neo 2, which is in follow mode right now. And as you can see in the tree that's coming right now, it almost crashed up. But somehow it magically self-stabilized and it continued on the journey, tracking me very good after that. When I had the palm landing at the end, I found a leaf embedded in the prop guards, but everything was fine. I'm glad that it took the hit so well. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the video of me riding through the forest.